Hi there, Sandra here. Thanks for joining me today. I've got a project which is going to be a really fun Christmas decoration. It doesn't take an awful lot of things to make it, and some things you can swap out for others. Now I've got a pretty large bead, as in it's large and it's pretty. And I've got a little bit of low gauge wire. I've got my glue gun heating up and a spare glue stick, although I shouldn't need the spare one. Piece of ribbon. I've got some special jewellery pliers which are to create loops, and I've got some wire snips. Now you don't have to use this, you could make it without, there are other ways of doing it. So this I want to put a little loop in the bottom, and I can take that and I can thread it through the hole of my bead, if I can find the hole, that side, there we go. So that's just going to stop that from coming off of the end. Now if you don't have a bead, you could just stick one of these things on, because I'm making a bell. I've got some pieces cut out and I've folded them down the centre. It's going to be a filigree bell. This is a double-sided card, so it's paralysed on both sides. This is my base piece. Now this is the only one that I've put a loop on, and this has also got a line down the centre, so I know where everything is going. And what I'm going to do is to line these up and just stick them in. So with a hot glue, I'm just going to put it in like that. Like that. So it's not stuck flat down, it's stuck at an angle, and that's why you need the hot glue. So that's actually half of it done, and then you put the other two pieces on this side. So I'm going to slot in a little bit of glue here, go in there. My last one goes in there. Now if you wanted to, you could do a longer piece of the wire and make a wire loop at the top, but I'm doing it this way so you can see that there are alternatives if you don't have the wire. You know, not everyone has wire hanging around. So for the loop, piece of ribbon, the two ends go together and it's just threaded through, and then you pull that through there. Do it gently because you don't want to break that card piece. You can even put some reinforcement on it if you need to. And then you just tie another knot at the end here, and you have your very pretty little bell. Now if you really want to go overboard, you can dust the edges with glitter or synthetic snow, or you could go over the edges with a gold pen or something like that, or a silver pen, and make them highlighted just a little bit more, but this is the basic version. You can also put a little bow at the top if you want to, but I think this is fancy enough without adding another bow there. Or you could add some holly or something like that if you felt the inclination. But there we are, a rather sweet bell decoration to hang up on the tree or hang from the ceiling, wherever it is that you'd like to put it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have two of them, Create in Spain and Siser Juliet, Beginners to Pro. I've got Facebook pages of the same name as well.